on, guys? We're doing a little different of a video today on my channel. I've never put my face on my channel before, so we're gonna start a new series. I'm gonna start building my 19 Civic Si Coupe. Today we're gonna be lowering it, and then in the week I'm gonna be putting wheels on it. We have H2O in 12 days, I think it is. Even though I'm gonna be filming most of the time, still on a stunt. And yeah, we're gonna get into it. So I'm gonna show full install my buddy Gabe. There he is. Where's he at? There. Oh, there he is. He's gonna help me out. And yeah, this should be really simple. So we're gonna get started on it. Oh yeah. This ain't no sky actor. We're talking Earth dreams, boy. Alright, so first things first, I just unhooked my brake line. I got this weird sensor for my dampening. Yeah, this.
Wait, you have electronic dampening?
Yeah, this is it. This is the system.
So what, if you go in sport mode or some shit, does it stiffen up or something?
Yeah, it stiffens up, more boost.
More boost?
More boost. Steering wheel gets tighter. Alright, bunch of clips.
Don't take these all the way out yet, right?
Yeah, keep them in there.
Just loosen them.
Yeah. All these dumbass clips. It's like Christmas tree
You want
clips.
gloves, by the way?
No, I'm good.
Where's the tab at?
Oh, you got it. Hold that real quick.
See my filming skills real quick. Damn, how you be looking at that shit?
Hell yeah. Alright, all the wires are off. We gotta get the sway bar end link and the back bolt. It's only one bolt.
Why is that bolt small as
But
fuck? Yeah.
That's probably like a 14, isn't it?
That shit's... Oh, hold up.
And then this is like a 17 we have right here, and then I think that's a 14. We'll find out.
I think it's a 12. That shit tiny.
You going 12? I'm gonna go 14. I'm calling you bluff, my guy.
You fucking bitch.
Alright, 14 it is.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Because this is usually faster.
Brand new too, yeah. Alright, so 14 mil bolt to get the sway bar end link off. Alright, jacked up on the control arm. I'm gonna try and get this sway bar end link. There we go. Should be able to come right out like that. Swing that bit to the side. Yeah, to the side. And we can lower this back down. All right, did that. Now I think I should just be able to bang on the knuckle right here, and that should come out. Oh, they're brand new, and I'm just gonna wiggle these bitches. We getting there. All right.
What is that?
What do they look like? They are 17s too by the looks of it.
All right, so we tried getting it out. The strut won't come all the way out, so we do have to get these 3 bolts out from the bottom.
Dude, them shit stink. Ooh.
What do they stink like?
I don't even know, bro.
Bitch, that's just my BO.
Now.
There you go, get it out.
Oh, it's cake. Ugh. Heavy as fuck, isn't it?
Yeah. All right. No standing on the strut. That's what I normally do. Just stand on it and just boom.
Alright, Mechanic Scott over here is shit.
Today I'm going to show you how to properly jack off your vehicle.
Alright, let me see that bit.
Top.
So, that was the top. So, the stock spring is out. That's the passenger front. Let's grab the passenger front out of here.
Or is it the same?
Yeah, they should be the same. A little before and after. Right there. Last thing to do, we got all the wires, we got the speed sensor plugged back in, we got the sway bar end link plugged back in, we got the brake line plugged back in. We just need to get this little gap that goes into the strut, the knuckle. It need to close it, yeah?
Huh? Shit.
Right. Oh god, this gun. She won't fit. Oh yeah.
I mean, there's 3 bolts holding one thing, so you should be good with 2. But
logic. That's what we're gonna do with this build. Everything that has 3 bolts in it, we're taking them off.
We're taking one out. Got you, bro. What up? How about? Oh shit. Oh.
Did I get a 3 or was that?
No, you're on 2.
Did I get a 3 or is it too powerful to do?
Threes. If you really want to, 3s break some bolts. I'll do 2.
I need 2. Let's take them. We mangle 3 of them. Cool. I'll just torque with the torque wrench after.
I'm getting fucked up by these mosquitoes. How this thing gonna get coiled up?
Alright, so, oh shit, whoa, oh, okay. So one side's done, first time doing it. I've only looked on the forums and a quick YouTube video how to do this shit. But yeah, one side is good. We're gonna bang out the other side of the front. Gabe's already going ham on it. And then the rear should be super simple and super fast, so let's get this other side done. We're literally just gonna bang out this other side because it's starting to get dark and I want to be able to get the rear done before it's dark. So I'm gonna hammer this through, maybe do a little time lapse. What?
Everything's unplugged already?
Yeah, we'll do a time lapse and then we'll get started on the rear. Update. Front is done. Kind of looks good. You can't really tell. Yeah, you can kind of tell it's slow. I'm filthy. Gabe's filthy. We're just gonna bang out the rear. The rear is gonna be super simple. All I have to do is disconnect the rear sway bar and links. Oh, you can't see shit. Well, all I have to do is disconnect the rear sway bar and links, and then disconnect the bottom of the control arm and swing it down and put the new ones in. Super simple. So in between the last clip and the clip you're seeing now, I managed to drop my Sony from my tripod onto the ground and yeah, kind of fucked it up. So I don't know if you can tell, but the lens is out and here it is. Hey-oh. Still got in time-lapse mode, whoa, and I'm normal. Alright, so we just got done, all 4 corners are done. Cleaning up right now, and we're gonna take it for a test drive. It's dark out, there's mosquitoes, I'm sweating, I'm dirty, so I'll see you guys when we go on the test drive.
This is gonna flip.
Alright, so just got done.
Well, let me buckle up.
First things first.
I don't know how you drive.
Drive like a maniac, mate. Good so far, no like clunking, no binding.
That's all feel fast.
Oh shit.
Like, hold up, you about to smack that bush.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh, it's been a minute. It's been a minute.
Shit, you damn difficult out of seatbelts. You right. Alright, yeah, like, oh, you gotta cut a lot, my God. You might as well pull forward. Oh, hell no, boy, pull forward. Come this way. Keep going, keep going. All right, straighten out. Oh yeah, you got that. You got it. You good.
Boy, we're going still.
You want to turn that shit on?
Yeah. All right.
Oh fuck, what am I recording, bro?
So got out of driveway, first drive. We're just gonna try and see if we can hear any clunks or binding or anything. Steering wheel straight, that's good.
I feel like I'm about to drop your camera out the window, dog.
Don't be doing that, mate.
I'm not.
I would appreciate it, mate.
But
what you got? You filming our necks, mate?
Bro, that shit's hard, bro. Yo, all right, there we go. This shit fast, nigga.
Sport mode.
Yo, you want to hit a mean ass fucking dip?
Nah, I'm good. I'm good on this dip.
I know a big ass dip, bro. If you follow this shit straight, it feels a lot more planted. Yep, I'm buckling up. Hold on. Let me get the back seat belts on too. The bump is like, bro, honestly, it's right at this intersection, bro. When I was in middle school, oh, you didn't even fucking scrape though. What the fuck? You took that shit straight on. In middle school, we used to take the bus through that shit, bro.
Or like jump up in the back and go hit the roof.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
It feels amazing. It feels way better than stock.
For real?
Yeah,
it's like smoother. Oh, Honda boy, okay.
Alright, first test drive, amazing.
Tired.
Bruh, I'm hyped. That looks good.
Hell yeah, you see tires for the wheels.
Hell yeah. That looks so much better. It does look even.
Yeah, it does.
The front could be a tad bit lower. I still get to keep my active dampening. The reason why I went with D2 springs compared to coilovers, like I was just telling Gabe, is I get to keep my active dampening. I don't have to have a check engine light, blah blah. I'm definitely gonna take it for a wash today. That shit's mangled. Every time I see Gabe, dude, this thing just has all the bugs. I washed it 2 days ago, and it's just mangled. Oof. That body line, that shit looking deep. Yo, we're back on the lens. Huh? We're back on the mangled lens. See how it's like blurry on that one side? So I had this lens I was just filming on here, but this don't look bad. It looks bad in some kind of lights. It gets like that, but it's literally cracked. Sick. All right, fuck it. See, look.
Is that shit gonna fall out again though? Ah.
Alright, fast forward to the next day. I washed it. It looks so good. It drives amazing. It's literally exactly what I wanted. I didn't really explain or go into depth that much yesterday of why I went the spring route with this car. Reason being, I'm not trying to stance it out. I want to be able to take this to curvy roads and tracks and maybe autocross. I'm not sure. That doesn't really seem appetizing to me, but I want to be able to take this thing around corners and fast. So that's the route I'm going with this build. I was looking at iBox Sportline or iBox Pro Kit, and the iBox Pro Kit doesn't even lower an inch, and the Sportline, I don't know, it was like 1.5 inches, and it wasn't like level. And everywhere I looked in the forums, the D2 springs are the lowest, and there's been no issues with them, and they look great. They ride great. I'm super happy with them. Shout out to D2, good work. I still get to keep my active dampening, so when I put in sport mode, it still gets stiffer. I don't have any check engine light. I might go coilovers later on down the road when they come out with a module that will be able to keep my active dampening, but until then, I'm gonna stay on these springs because it looks good and I get to keep my active dampening. Yeah, I couldn't really film much last night because it was getting dark and I wanted to get the car done before it got too late. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my actual camera, put it on the gimbal and get some beauty shots of it, just because I want to take a little montage of every single stage of the car it goes through. If you guys appreciate this video, let me know in the comments, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. If you like this kind of content, if you don't want to see my face anymore, let me know. If you like my face, if you like my speech impediment and my accent, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it, because I suck on camera. It's taken me a long time to finally do this and be on camera, and yeah, I'm gonna hopefully make this like a thing. I want to be able to film every single stage I do to this car and every single mod I do to this car and where it takes me and where I take it, etc, etc. I hope that this video kind of gave a little bit of an insight to how to install springs on it. I know the rear was kind of messy and it was dark and I didn't really film anything. So, since you guys couldn't see it, all you have to do is disconnect that 10mm bolt on the right, and then the control arm bolt, and that whole cradle will swing down, and all you need to do is pop your old spring out and put the new spring in. Super simple. I'm sorry for not filming it, but it was dark out and I wanted to get it done. I'm gonna pull my camera out. I'm gonna get a few clips of it, show you guys on my actual camera how it looks, because I'm filming on the cracked lens right now and I can't really tell. It doesn't look that bad.
Hey, sipping on lip with your bitch, or you know what it is. You know what it is. Rolling and blowing a switch, with a blunt to my lips. With a blunt to my lips. I guess the fuck who you with? I unload on your bitch. Unload on your clip. Purple the color, the shit that we sipping, a motherfucking whip. And a motherfucking whip. I'm in a whip with a bitch on my dick and a blunt to my lips. A blunt to my lips. Fucking a bitch with a gold on my dick and a gold on my wrist. And a gold on my wrist. Maybe I fuck around, spend me $250,000 on my crib. Word around town is that Ollie and Club is off of this shit. Word around town is that Ollie is toting the X in no clip. Word around town is that I got that little baby on your bitch. Word around town is you fuck with that